Hi, Nanay. Happy birthday po. Ako si Loy. Paborito mong apo except si Kuya JR. Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog ngayon kasi gusto ko matuto. Hindi pa ako magaling pero sinusubukan ko. Miss kita palagi. Sana nandyan ako kasama mo. Okay naman ako. Nasa Toronto ako ngayon at nagtatrabaho sa software consulting. Maayos naman ang work ko. Salamat sa pag-aala mo sa akin at sa pagluluto ng egg and rice noong bata pa ako. Mahal kita, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday! Lola Utay!
Happy birthday, Tita Utay!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Woohoo!
Happy birthday, Tita Uday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita. Let's happy birthday! Hopefully you have a happy and wonderful birthday.
Yeah! Yeah! Happy birthday!
Hello Nanay, happy 85th birthday today. I hope as you watch my video, greetings, kabay pang-ara ka lang sa mayong lawas, kag sa ara sa kalipay nga upod nga gina-celebrate mo ang birthday mo with your family. Kabay pa na mahatagang kapagid ni Lord sang malawig nga kabuhi para i-enjoy with fullness ang life nga ginhatag sa imo. Halong gid permi kag I hope you have a blast celebrating your 85th birthday kag to God be the glory kay tungod nga until this day ara kagyapon nga nagaselebrar sa imong kabuhi with the Lord kag at the same time your family, with your loving family. So always halong gid permi, take care and kabay pagid nga mangin malipayon ka as you celebrate your special day today. Again, happy 85th birthday and God bless and take care always and enjoy your special day.
Ay, alo manang Diyos, halo mga manonood. Birthday sang akong takamahal nga utol. Manang Diyos, happy 85th birthday. Manang, paano ka bala pahilte ka kay para makakanto ka daliwat kasi ganun ko si girling nga paon ka. Ang nadumduman ko lang niya sang gamay kita nga ngaway kita niya gawaboy anay nga duwa. Yaan mo gani kung nga malakat ka kung saan di nagahindi gid ako galundag-lundag ako. Kaya mo na ni, this is it na. Igulang na ta. Long live the Losada children, de dulo kag ni ilang, kag hinablos ni Mama Pinang. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Enjoy ka sa mga apo mo. Ang kabataan mo ay kabataan man nga, ka mga nami man. Na-miss ko gid ang imong nga katuntuhan man sa akon sa una. Asadya sa aton nga duwa no, kataringting kita may bangko nga bayo. Ngayon naton sa out dito sa tubang ni Nanay Asyang. Dumduman mo pa sa Nanay Asyang. Kada may bangko tagani nga bayo dayon tato dalagan sa iya tubang tiyanggi kang magsaot-saot kay makuot tato sa garapon sa mga dulce. Ma-continue lang ni sa dalayon. Kay ara ang kabataan ta nga nag-ubay sa aton. Ang kabataan mo, grabe man. Grabe, hindi grabe nga may masakit, kundi grabe nga naging successful sila sa pangabuhi man. Kay tiga pamati sila sa aton. Sa ginapadako naton, ginaubayan naton sila. Nga kag-ara si mama, kag si papa, as mama Pinang. Nga nag-supportar man sa ilang pagbantay sa kabataan. Manang kung may litsyon ka da, ang una nga hungit ko sa litsyon ako.
Hi Nanay, it's Chelsea. This is my dog Bernice and we're making a video for you from my home in Montreal. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. I have very vivid memories from my childhood. You were such a big part of my everyday life. You really helped to take care of me and my brother when my parents were working really hard, and I can't help but think about where I am now and how I really am the product of your blueprint. You are the basis of every single woman in this family. You really instilled in all of us the values of family, the values of working hard, the values of good cooking and what a good meal can do for you. So I can't help but think this month on your birthday how much you formed me as a person, even if we haven't, maybe spent the most time together. You're still a very important person in my life, and I really wanted to send this video to you and wish you a happy birthday. I hope that this year brings you all the prosperity and good health and good meals that you could ever want. Hi everybody back home too. I miss you lots, thinking about you all a lot as well, and I love you very much, and I'm so happy that I'm able to take a couple moments and just kind of be with you in spirit. Bye guys.
Hi Nanay, happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed your surprise party. Me and Kuya James are so sad that we couldn't make it, but instead we wrote you this song. So we hope you like it. Alright, bye. It's tears and sweat, it's a long day out. It's dark and late, it's the shape of your mouth. It's in your hands and the smell of your hair. Don't see you much, but I know you're there. Ooh, working is easy. Loving is hard, just how a sculptor makes clay from dirt. This love is work. This love is work. This love is, it's in your food and it's in your care. It's growing old, it's raising kids. Ooh, working is easy. Loving is hard, just how a sculptor makes clay from dirt. This love is work. This love is work. This love is patient. This love is kind. This love is your face that